will learn how to access class materials on the Blackboard platform. First, go to the Courses tab and select the corresponding class. On the main page, you will find the syllabus document. Click on it to open the file, where you can either download it or view it online. Similarly, the study guide is also available, and you can choose to download it or view it directly on the platform. Each week, you will also be able to access the necessary materials within the weekly folders under Supporting Documents. In this section, you will find all the resources provided by your instructor to help you complete the activities.